Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Roblox Studio is open and signed in. This gives Task Manager access to your current place. Once ready, open View then Task Manager, or use the Ctrl+Shift+F shortcut to save time. You do this because Task Manager inspects running jobs and memory. Knowing where it is lets you begin performance checks immediately. Make sure Studio has finished loading the place before proceeding. Otherwise, Task Manager may show incomplete data and mislead your next steps. Once Task Manager is open, sort by CPU or memory to reveal the heaviest tasks. This tells you what to prioritize. You should expand worker details to identify the exact script or module causing load, because names link to source scripts and line numbers. Make measured changes. Pause or stop a suspect task to observe runtime effects, then reopen Task Manager to compare metrics. This step-by-step inspection prevents guesswork and shows you precisely why performance issues occur. After identifying culprits, edit scripts to reduce expensive operations, optimize loops, add debouncing, and cache lookup results, because small code changes yield big performance gains. Once edits are saved, run the game and open Task Manager again to verify CPU and memory drops. This confirms your fixes actually worked. If performance still lags, use the Developer Console alongside Task Manager and enable verbose logging to capture errors or stalls. This combined approach gives one clear troubleshooting path to resolve lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.